We have the star apple.
Star apple.
Look at this, big.
I wanted to get a green one because I'm not sure about that. It's soft, but I want to see if it has a different flavor.
Yep.
Different flavor.
Flavorful. Then the mangoes. Randall just came back from the market and we have the star apple, mangoes.
This one's kind of been, I said it's been throwing up, so. You cut it or break it?
You could cut it or break it.
Okay, I'll cut it or break it then. Roll that beautiful star apple footage. Oh my gosh, look at the purple. Woohoo! That's nice. That's nice. I like to use the cuchara. I'm gonna try it. Ate the purple part too, right?
Yeah.
Now there'll be some seeds in there that I have to spit out right there, but that's a pretty big bite. Mm-hmm. Those are good.
Are they sweet?
Mm-hmm. There's a seed. They're sweet. The only thing I wish they were cold, but still good.
Yeah. We could put them in the fridge
Yeah,
before you eat them.
very good. Wow. Look at all that. It looks like ube. All that goodness. Mmm. Very good, very sweet. Star apple. My favorite time of the year in the Philippines is the star apple and the chico. Shout out to Winnie, she loves the chico. Okay, so this is a different color. Here's the first star apple. This one, it's green. I don't know how it's gonna go, but I'm willing to be a testing participant. Look, it's all white. I'm gonna cut the seed away from it. Try not to eat a seed. Oh, I got a seed in there anyway. Look how creamy that stuff is. This one's actually a little bit better. A little bit sweeter. It's really nice. I even drank
Well,
some
this
on my shirt.
this one is a little bit dry already, if you could see right there.
So you can get more.
Yeah. Probably this one is better.
Yeah.
You could tell from the way
It's so soft.
it's soft, yes.
Like easily bruise it, you know.
Mhm.
So, star apple, one of my favorite fruits in the Philippines. That's a mouthful.